Yeah, welcome once again. This is another lesson of social studies. Let's look at the Rift Valley, or Rift Valley, as one of the relief physical feature. First of all, what is a Rift Valley? We say a Rift Valley is a long depression on the Earth's surface with steep sides called escarpments. Steep sides, the sides of a Rift Valley are called escarpments. Then, how was this Rift Valley formed? The Rift Valley was formed as a result of faulting. We looked at faulting. So the way block mountains are formed, that's the way the Rift Valley was also formed. And the forces remain the same, the tensional force and the compression force. Those were the forces responsible for the formation of Rift Valleys and all the relief features. So in Africa, you have what we call the Great Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley of Africa moves right from Jordan River in the Middle East, and enters Africa through the Red Sea via Ethiopian highlands, and then it comes direct to East Africa and ends in Beira, Port Beira in Mozambique. Then the Rift Valley, the Great Rift Valley of Africa, is divided into 4 sections. At times we call them arms. The 4 arms of the Rift Valley. The first arm is called the Ethiopian Rift Valley. The Ethiopian Rift Valley stretches right from the Red Sea, from the Alpha Triangle in Ethiopia, through the Red Sea, and goes up to Lake Turkana. That one is the Ethiopian Rift Valley. Ethiopian Rift Valley. It has lakes like Abaya, which is found within that Rift Valley. Then the second arm is the Eastern Rift Valley. Eastern Rift Valley enters East Africa through Lake Turkana. So it moves through Kenya and Tanzania. It is about 60 kilometers wide. It contains very many small lakes. So examples of the lakes found in the Eastern Rift Valley, we have Lake Turkana. You can look at the map and identify where that lake is. Lake Natron, Lake Manyara, Lake Magadi, Lake Naivasha, Lake Baringo, Lake Eyas, Lake Nakuru. So those are lakes found in the Eastern Rift Valley. However, we add there Lake Malawi as the central point, because it enters through Turkana to Lake Malawi. So the third arm of the Rift Valley is the Western Rift Valley. The Western Rift Valley stretches from Tanzania and comes up to East Africa, to Uganda, and ends on Lake Albert. It enters into Lake Albert. So it moves like that. It has lakes like Lake Albert, Lake Edward, Lake Kivu, Lake Tanganyika, Lake Rukwa, Lake Katwe is also within that Rift Valley. Although it is not a Rift Valley lake, it is found within that Rift Valley. So, as we have said, that the focal point or the meeting point for those arms of the Rift Valley is Lake Malawi. Then the fourth is called the Malawian Rift Valley, which enters through Lake Malawi and goes through the Shire Valley. It moves in a zigzag pattern, and it enters up to Mozambique at Port Beira. That's where the Rift Valley ends. So to remind you, the Great African Rift Valley starts from Jordan in the Middle East and goes through Red Sea to Ethiopia, to Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Uganda, Malawi, and Mozambique. That's the Great Rift Valley. And we have said it has got 4 arms: the Ethiopian Rift Valley, the Eastern Rift Valley, the Western Rift Valley, and the Malawian Rift Valley. Furthermore, the steep sides of Rift Valley, they are called escarpments. So when you look at the Rift Valley, we have some activities we do from the Rift Valley. Obviously, we have crop farming because of the fertile soil there. We have mining. Mining is done there. For example, we have mining of soda ash in Lake Magadi. in Kenya, and mining of salt in Lake Katwe. We have tourism. Tourism takes place there. Then fishing is also carried out because we have those lakes, apart from Magadi and Katwe, which is not suitable for fishing. Other lakes within the Rift Valley are very good sources of fish. So fishing takes place. Problems experienced within the Rift Valley. Since the Rift Valley is a depression, when you talk about depression, we are meaning a hole. So it is at a lower altitude. So areas of lower altitude experience high temperatures. So Rift Valley areas experience high temperatures. 2, because of the escarpments, so the construction of roads and railways become difficult and expensive. That is giving us poor transport network in those areas. 3, soil erosion is common within the Rift Valley. And then 4, landslides within the Rift Valley. Our questions. Question number 1, what is a Rift Valley? What is a Rift Valley? Question 2, where does the African Rift Valley start from? 3, give the arms of the African Rift Valley. 4, give examples of lakes found in the Ethiopian Rift Valley. 5, give examples of lakes in both the eastern and western arm of the Rift Valley. Question number 5, give 5 advantages of Rift Valley. 6, give problems experienced by people who live in the Rift Valley. 6, why do Rift Valley areas experience high temperatures?